not accepting formation of the special purpose vehicle doesn't appear to be logical if what he's saying is.
That's right.
What is this? This is something completely strange to commercial wisdom or knowledge.
Well, it is our respectful submission.
No, you can't do that. You can't say because there's another company in the same ratio of form, or there's a special purpose vehicle wherein both the parties are there. This one should transfer. What is this?
No, Malad,
And Malad, one more thing.
Instructions on that, but we have not, Malad, objected on.
But that shows that the person in the regulatory body must have people at helm of affairs, must have legal knowledge about what is transfer, what is not transfer, and what is the effect of, a person creating another vehicle for carrying out the project when the shareholding and the person behind are the same.
And Malad, when I constituted JMHPL in 2011. Well, I incorporate JMHPL
on a non-miscellaneous case, first to find notice for final arguments in the week commencing 1st of April 2025.
What did you say?
First item 12.
Item 12, I beg to appear for the...
Lord, I appear for the union, my lord. This is an interesting question. Lord, the petitioner lady is born Muslim. She does not believe in Sharia. Lord, according to her, it's a regressive law. Whether she can...
I've seen the people.
Whether she can... we will have to take a call, my lord. This would be...
Mr. Mehta, this will apply across the faith.
No, correct, my lord. It should apply, my lord. Why? That's my personal view, but I'll take instructions.
It's a no caste status.
Yes, my lord. She in fact possibly runs some NGO, my lord, of similarly situated belief.
You'll have to find a counter.
I will have to, my lord, because that would be a considered view of the central government for your lordship's consideration.
And it may have in various things, it may your forms, etc. If you pass an order, several forms where you're required to mention all these details may have to be there.
Correct.
Which permits you to not say that I'm not giving these details out.
Correct. I'll not mention my religion.
Yes. Or you'll have to say that it's waivable.
In that sense, it is a private right.
It's a private right.
Yes. Because interestingly, she has one daughter. She wants to bequeath the entire property to her daughter. But Sharia law permits only 50% bequeath to a daughter.
And she may not like to 50 or 1/3.
I beg your lordship's pardon.
My lord, she has got a brother who is autistic and a daughter.
So, Prashant, is it 50% or 1/3?
Initially, she will inherit only 1/3 from her father. And when she dies, again, out of that 1/3, only half will be inherited by the daughter. The other half
she's also worried about inheritance to her.
Yes, because her father is...
Yes, no, that's the reason.
Brother is autistic. Therefore, she has to take care of him.
And she wants the benefit of Indian Succession Act, the secular law. That's the prayer.
No, but as far as father is concerned, the father under the Muslim law again is not entitled to make a will for the entire property. That's also restricted.
Yes, ma'am.
That's also restricted.
Correct, your lordship's are right.
And under the Hindu Succession Act also, if I'm not mistaken, if you convert your inheritance rights are taken away.
Yes.
Your inheritance rights are taken away.
But by way of will, one can do whatever one wants to do, my lord,
Yes,
irrespective
that's correct. That's correct.
irrespective of section 14 and 15 of the Hindu Succession Act.
But then issue also will be with regard to the joint Hindu family property, or in case of there is no will, interstate succession, then it will be taken away. That will be one of the consequences.
Yes,
Because if
then
it
it
applies
would,
to one faith, it applies to all faiths.
correct. Lord, then it would follow section 14 and 15 of Hindu Succession Act. Lord, the class 1 heirs, class 2 heirs, agnates, cognates.
No, there is a problem there. Even in the Hindu Succession Act, if I'm not mistaken, if you convert, you lose your right of inheritance under the
Correct.
normal law.
Yes, ma'am.
Act doesn't apply.
Created the Special Marriage Act. But in Special Marriage Act also, I think there is some restriction as well as also inheritance is concerned.
My lord, inheritance subject to verification, I don't think, my lord, there is any restriction. Subject to verification.
Not in the Special Marriage Act, but in the Hindu Marriage Act, there is a restriction.
Yes, Hindu Marriage Act, there is.
You file your counter.
Kindly give me 3 weeks, my lord. We'll have to place a considered.
Permit, pray for granted 4 weeks time to file counter. You join the returning in 4 weeks after service of your counter. Relist is the week commencing 5th of May 2025.
Deeply obliged.
Grateful.